Hey guys, what's up? It's Brendan from WhisperNode here. In the last tutorial, I showed you guys how to set up a Keplr wallet. In this tutorial, I want to show you guys how to use the Keplr wallet to vote on active proposals on the network. So first thing you're going to do here is go to your Google Chrome extensions, go to your Keplr wallet. You want to make sure that your secret network here has a balance and or that you've delegated tokens to a validator. And the next thing you're going to do once you're signed into your Keplr wallet is go over to Puzzle.Report. Once you're there, you'll see this tab in the upper right that says Proposals. When you click that tab, you can see all the proposals that have been passed or rejected on the network, and you can see any proposals that are currently in the voting period. So right here, this proposal 22 is in the voting period. I can take a look at that proposal by clicking on it. I can see who's voted yes, who's abstained, who's said no, and who's voted no with veto. If I want to vote on this proposal, I'm just going to go up here to this vote button, click vote. I'm going to choose Keplr wallet, and then I can give my vote. So I'm going to choose yes here and sign with Keplr. Once you do that, it will ask you to confirm the transaction on Keplr. Set your gas fee there. Approve the transaction. And just like that, guys, successfully voted yes on proposal 22. So that's really it, guys. It's that simple to vote using your Keplr wallet and Puzzle.Report. Thanks. Have a good one.